Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read I or ko in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to go. It has 6 strokes. In solved words, it often sounds like ko. On its own, it is usually I. A crossroads where you pick a direction and go. Now let's write it. 6 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen. In order. Slowly. Let's see it in real words. Iku means to go. Ginkou means bank. And ryokou means trip. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Dai, read matsu to wait. Yaku, read yaku, roll. Notice the small differences. So that's yin, to go. 6 strokes. Read I or ko. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.